BPD Zenith have created a new application called Requirements Planning. This is used to make decisions on capital planning by assessing benefits, risks, costs and health improvements. Log into Maximo and head to the Requirements Planning application. Insert a new record. Fill in the description, details, requirements type and expenditure type and assign a priority to the requirement. Select the asset your requirement is for and provide the benefits and justifications for the work that is to be carried out. Select the budget responsible for the overall costs. Click on the Budget Cost Estimate tab, labelled BCE, to add estimated costs for your requirement. You can manually add lines or use a template to retrieve the most common cost elements for your requirement. The budget is carried over from the header record, but can be changed on a per-line basis if required. We'll enter some estimated costs. These will be summed up and shown in the BCE total field. Profit, overhead and tax can then be added to give the total cost. The Health Insights tab shows the asset's health score based on the classification and scorecard of the asset at this point in time. There are editable fields for the estimated value of the health score once the work is complete, which will be filled out later in this process. We will now read the requirement for need approval. An assignment has been made to the need approval group. This can be accessed via their inbox on the Start Centre. Once the health estimates are changed, the Asset Health Estimate field updates and the improvement from the health before can be seen. Options and alternatives can be provided by the need approval group, as well as any constraints that may exist. They can then route the workflow to the change approval group, send it back to the originator for more information, or reject the requirement. Logging in as a member of the change approval group, you can make changes to costs if required, then route the workflow for cost approval. As the cost approver, you may want to view the Amendments tab to find out who entered or changed values before approving or rejecting the requirement. We can now go to the work order tracking application and create work orders related to our requirement. By selecting the work type Quoted Works, we unlock the requirement number field. Choose our requirement and give our work order a description. If we move through to our requirement and click on the Related Work Orders tab, we can see our work orders.